Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course we always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we are having another edition of it again tonight, okay? And of course, if you are just joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies and apply them carefully whenever you are trading, okay? And of course guys, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. These are the assets we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities. So guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. okay, okay guys, this is boom 1000. This started an uptrend right from here, got to this region and played around there for a while before picking up from here till it got to this particular region. Okay, so it has gotten to this resistance zone. If it's unable to break out above it, then it will go back on downtrend, but once it breaks out above it, then definitely it will keep on buying. Okay, so this is very important, but for now this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. You just need to make sure that once it changes the direction, then you should go for a sell signal. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay, so guys, this is boom 500, and of course just the way it is, it started a downtrend right from there, and even though it tried to play around there for a while but got broken around there and it kept on selling, it broke out below this support zone and it is still selling at the moment. Okay, so this is going to be more of a downtrend, more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away if it's crashing the market. Okay, so this had been on uptrend for a very long time, got to this region, pull back, and of course went back there again, and of course since it's unable to break it, if it's unable to break out from there, then it will go back on downtrend. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, but we needed to break out below this support zone before it will sell more. Okay, so you should understand that. So we should expect more of a selling opportunity after the total reversal. So we should expect more of a selling opportunity, except if it breaks out above the resistance, and that is when it will keep on buying. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. So guys, this is crash 500. Crash 500 had been on uptrend for a while, got to this region and played around there for a while, and of course right from here it has started a downtrend and it is still selling at the moment. So this is still going to be more of a selling opportunity. The last asset which you'll be checking out is going to be V75. Let's check it out right away. This is V75. It started a downtrend, got to this region and played around there, wasn't able to break out below the support zone, so it started a buy trend right from there, and it is still buying at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies, and of course make sure you practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora detectorK. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.